Let me say this before I round up. I'm being careful not to say anything that has not been planted in me to say. But let me say this. If you are an Igbo man or woman anywhere in the world, listen to your blood brother. In Igbo land, we say, Nwannem, the child of my mother. Even when you are from a different state, all these states and local governments are the creations of man. We are of the same blood. We are of the same tongue. We are the same people. You are my brother, my sister, and I am same to you. Mfogenozo as Onyubo, you are one name. I drive around the streets of Lagos and I see an Igbo person selling something. I price it. Ego nekinele, all 10,000 naira, all 5,000 naira. That dingwan go ni ego ni data. The moment I hear that Igbo, immediately, you say this how much? Then I will give you 20,000. I have done this countless times. Doesn't mean I don't love other people, but of course, you know, this is home, this is family. This is why I knew that the devil came to town when we began to take up arms to kill our own selves. That if you cannot look at an Igbo person and feel that emotional connection to them, the devil has possessed you from head to toe. That's why we say you are not one of us. Even if you are, something else has taken over your being and your soul, and we need to exorcise that from you. But you see, we have not been able to. So the chi of the Igbo people, the God of the Igbo people say, I have arisen. All those enemies within and from outside, I am going to arrest all of them and I am going to smash them one by one. You know, when I speak with authority like this, I like people to write it down and save the video. You will see with your eyes that I didn't just come to create content. I'm telling you, it is here, deep in my soul. If I didn't make this video, I would not be able to sleep. So if you're an Igbo man or woman anywhere in the world, please get ready. Make hay while the sun is still shining. Go and get property somewhere in Igbo land. Very soon, all guys, very difficult to get property. The time for us to go home and look Chakokwa, since you will see what will happen. You know, in my previous video, I told us that what was about to happen, and I didn't even know that I would come to be making a video like this, that what is about to happen, that any governor in Igbo land that does not plug into what God is about to do, he will remove them. The best you can do is, while you are, even though you came on a very corrupted platform, you must plug in and allow the same chi of the Igbos to use you. Otherwise, he will either remove you or kill you. It's cast on stone. It cannot be changed.